Touch, focus, touch the third. To hit valve to thousand. Slowly inhalation and exhalation. Ball and Om chanting. तत्का hit valve and bada. तत्का hit valve, inhale and bada. One more time. Inhale. Start. Tabka chapta hai, palm together. And swata hai, rub your palm. Make a heat. Place your palm on your eyes. Gently open your eyes and relax. Just namaste to all of you. Simply just relax your hands, thighs long. Hit valve, high thigh lane, both hands up and look up, knee lane. Thousand, exhale, high thigh swung, knee swung. Inhale, both hands up, high thigh lane, knee lane. Thousand, slowly, high thigh swung, knee swung. Hit valve, high thigh lane, down thigh. And just matning lane, look up, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hit valve, thousand, high thigh, sow lung, both hands behind hip. Hit valve, lung lane, lift up the spine, and thousand, exhale, look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly and look down. Again, hip valve, open shoulder and exhale. Slowly look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, hobuk, Madnin Swam. Modlan Noah, once again. Hip valve, open shoulder and thaza, drop shoulder and look up. 1, 2, breathing. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, exhale, squeeze, suck your belly and just look down. Inhale, both hands up, high thigh lane, down thigh, finger lock. Exhale, Gyanchai, bend on the left. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on the right. Hip valve, and thở ra, ghiền trái. Hít vào and thở ra, ghiền phải. Hít vào, come back and thở ra, hai tay xuống. Đan tay sau lưng, finger lock from behind. Inhale, open shoulder, exhale, drop shoulder and just look up. Hít vào and thở ra, cúi xuống, bend down, đầu xuống, bông xuống and tay lên. Inhale, come back and one more time, một lần nữa, exhale, một lần lên, look up. The third one, breathing continuous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, cúi xuống, bend down. Head down, your hands up. Tay lên. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Hai tay lên. Both hands up. Finger lock. Hít vào and thở ra. Once again, một lần nữa, ghiền trái. Bend to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hít vào, come back. Thở ra, ghiền phải on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax your hand. Tay xuống. Một lần nữa, hai tay sau mốt, hands behind hip. Hít vào, nằm lên, lift up spine. Thở ra, mông lên, lift your hip now. Mông chuột. Try to push your hip front side. 1, tay down, cổ tay down, vai down, không cần mông lên. 3, arm pain, wrist pain, shoulder pain, do not lift up. And now, 6. Inhale, come back. Come back, mông xuống, thở ra. And then cúi xuống, bend down. Bend forward, bend forward, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, everybody. Jump time, open arm shoulder level. Tay trái ôm đầu với vai, tay phải lên. Left hand, right knee, right it up. Inhale, exhale, just bend on the left side. Touch your right ear with the right arm bicep. 1, 2, breathing. 3, tap thôi, 4, 5, and now 6. Hít vào, come back, those are relaxed. Now tay trái lên and ghiền phải. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Một lần nữa, hai tay sau lưng, hands behind hip. Hít vào, lưng lên, thở ra, mông lên, lift your hip, everybody. And tất cả cố gắng mông chuột, push your hip front side, try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Inhale and exhale, relax. Once again, cúi xuống, bend down. Tay xuống, đầu gối xuống, mông xuống. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. come back, everyone. Hang keep your both legs straight. Thuzan Chan, relax your legs, move your legs. Down by lane swan, move your knees up and down. Chupchan, your legs together. And Thanglu, your spine straight first. Here we start some twisting practice. Jantai, hit wow, and then Thaza. Just try to be twist on the left and just look back. Khong gap lung, Thang lung, and Nim Sao, look back. 1, breathing, Thang lung. And 3, 4, and Nim Sao, and 5 and 6. Okay, sorry. Inhale, come back, exhale, and then twist. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, so I come back, bend your left leg, gap chan chai, tai chai saulum, tai phi lane, and just drop the right elbow on the left. While Thuzan, you have to relax the shoulder and look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax and come back. Bend your right leg the same, right hand behind hip, tai chai lane, left hand up, drop your left elbow on the right knee, monk swan, hip down and twist, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back. Again, bend the left leg, cross your leg, drop your right elbow, left knee, Doak, Gap Chan Chai Emoy. Doak, you can be try to hold your big toe, like here. Doak, Tai Phi here, Doak, sorry, Tai Chai, Doak, you can be put here. Any one you can try. 1, but Mom Chai Swan, your left hip down. 2, breathing, give a maximum twist. 3, bobbing from 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, so come back. Now bend the right leg and cross your leg. Same, drop your left elbow to right knee. Right hand behind it, and then try any one option. Just 2 options you have. 1, 2, Kapthol 1, breathing. 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Good. Relax and come back. Bend your right leg under hip and cross with the left leg. Your right elbow again, drop on the left knee. First your shoulder, Thuzan Y and Thanglang, spine straight. Mom Chai Swan and twist. Same option here, or you can be hold the big toe. Any one thing. Half spine twist pose, Ardha Mastendra Asana. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, Zoe, come back. Change your both legs position. Same, your left elbow just drop on the right knee. Mount 5 swan, right hip down, and then twist and look back. Any option you can choose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax every part. From here, just keep your right leg straight on the right side. Jang Tai, open arms your shoulder level. Right hand behind right leg. Little keep the chest out. Left arm straight over the head. Thang Tai Cha. Mat Nin Lane, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back everybody. From here I will just a little change today. Just come in the pigeon pose from the left leg side, facing on the left side. Very gentle, hand side of the knee here, and just try to be lungs out, push your spine back. Bing Thong, very normal. And look up. Monk Swan, hip down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale and exhale, then bend down, Kui Swan. Tai Swan, Tao Swan, Monk Swan, head down, hands down, hip down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, Zoe, come back. Once again, come back in the same position. Come on. So this time your right hand on the back and your left hand up. Flex your right foot. Inhale, stretch your arm, and exhale, bend on the right. 1, breathing. 2, top third one. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax your hand. So once again, facing on the left side. Come on. So this time, Tai Chai Swan, left hand down. And Tatka, try, Kozan. Tai Phi Lane, right hand up. And more to lungs out, spine back, look up. 1, Monk Swan, hip down, Monk Phi Swan, hip down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax first. And now change again, Gapchan Phi, right leg bend, and Tai Phi or Tai Chai Nankochan Phi. With any one hand, hold the leg, pull the leg and hip down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, Zoe, come back. Chosong. Now this time both hands up. Thai Tai Lane. Inhale and exhale. Then bend on the right. 1, Thang Tai Tai Sao. Arms straight. Little push your arms back. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax your hand. And now, Wanda, last time everybody. Mojut Kho, but Khong Jat Kho. Tatka Kozan, Hai Tai Lane. Both hands up. Inhale and exhale. Then try to be lungs out. Look up everybody. Chap Tai, Dam Tai. Both hands up. 1, lungs out. 2, 3, went hands up, Thailand. 4, lungs out, lungs out, lungs out. 5 and 6. Inhale and exhale. Relax your hand. No Khom Kui Swang again. Kui Swang. Bend forward, front side. Come on. Your arms straight and your spine straight. And now just stay there. Breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax everybody. So first, keep your both legs straight. Down time, we go twisting first, then we change again. Inhale and exhale, turn on your left side. Push your hip down everybody. Monk swan and hop up stomaching. Inhale, come back. Exhale, slowly, gently, then turn on the right. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left. Inhale, come back. And exhale, then turn on the right. Inhale, come back. And exhale, then twist one. Bend down now. Just stay now. Breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, relax. So the same sequence we'll practice another side. So this time your left leg straight on the left side. Start the very basic. Open arms, jang thigh. Inhale and exhale. Your left hand down, right arm straight over the head. 1, 2, stomach in. 3, flex your left foot. 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Now we come in the very gentle pigeon pose. Just turn on the right side. Hip down everybody. Monk swan. Very gentle. Spine straight. Thang long. Monk swan and look up. 1, 2. Breathe in. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, then bend forward. Push your hip down. Your head down. Monk swan, thang thigh, down swan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back from here. Second practice. Left hand on the back. Right hand up. Inhale and exhale. Just bend on the left side. A little, keep the chest out. Mother inhale, look up. More. High. Ba. Bone. Nam and south. Heat bow. Come back. Thauza, just relax. Once again, turn on your right side. So this time, your right hand down and your left hand up. Tai chai leg. Heat bow. Thauza, just a little try to be bent back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, then relax. Bend your left leg. Hold the left hand and then try to be bent down. Uiswam, Mongswam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax and come back. One more practice. This time high thigh lane. Your both hands up. Inhale and exhale, then bend on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax. So one more time, pigeon pose practice. We are taking the step one by one. So this time, tatka, everybody, high thigh length, both hands up. Inhale and then exhale, try to be bent back. Mojo. 1, top thrown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale and exhale, relax your hand. So once again, come back in the same position and tatka, just try to be Hui-swung, bend down everybody. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, tuck toe. 1, breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Relax. Thangchan, keep your both legs straight. Down tight, open arms, shoulder level. Inhale and exhale. Turn on your left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Left side, swai sanjay. Inhale, come back and exhale on your right side. Swai san 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Hui-swung, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Relax. Tatka, downward facing dog. Your arms, your legs and your spine straight. Thangkai function and thangkai. Chanchai lane, your left leg up. Chanchai chua, left leg in between your both arms. Hip bow, high thigh lane, both hands up in the high lunge. Thauza, thigh swung, relax your hands. Chanchai sao, your leg back, plank pose. Ning thang. Chaturanga, gaptai, only khongdua Pashtanga motion. Hip bow, upward dog. Lift your shoulder, open up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Chanfai lane, your right leg up. Chanfai chua, right leg in between arms. Hip bow, thigh lane, high lunge, both hands up. Thauza, thigh swung. Chanchai chua, your left leg front side. Chupchan, legs together. Hui-swung, bend down. Hip bow, high thigh lane, both hands up. Inhale. Exhale, bend back. Inhale, come back. simply bend on your left side and breathe in. Top hold on. More. High. Bar. Bone. Numb. And south. Hit wow. Come back. Thumbs up. Gain 5 on your right side now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, high thigh swan and om high thigh sao lung. Hands on the back. Inhale and exhale. Push your hip front, everybody. Thumb chin, legs straight. More. High. Thumb chin. Bar. Bone. And now. Hip bow, come back. Down thigh salam. And just squeeze one. Bend up now. Thumb down boy. Lock your knee. 1. And breathing. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Gapchen moves from Thailand in the chair pose from here. Thailand. Down boy and bone chin thumb. Your knee and your toes should be aligned. More. High. Bar. Numb and south. Hip bow, thumb chin, legs straight. Thumbs up, squeeze one, bend down everybody with an exhalation. Nim thumb, look front, hip bow. Thumbs up, everybody jump back and chaturanga. Chaturanga. Strong. Okay, hip bow, upward dog. Lift shoulder, Madani lane, and thumbs up, downward facing dog. Chanchailing, your left leg up. Chanchai chua, left leg in between your arms. Inhale, both hands up, high lunge. Thauza, thigh swung, chua song, hip bow, high thigh lane, both hands up, and thauza, more to bend back, more to little bit. Inhale, come back, exhale, thigh swung, relax, plank pose, ninja, look front, inhale, Ashtang Namaskar, exhale, or Chaturanga. Tay đây, đầu ngực nhé. Upward facing dog, hip bow, monsoon open shoulder, look up. Thumbs up, downward facing dog. Chan file in your right leg up. Chan file, chua, right leg in between arms. Hip bow, high thigh leg, both hands up. Down boy, 5 and bone chan file thumb. Thumbs up, thigh swung. Modalan Noah, one more time. Hip bow, high thigh leg, and thumbs up and back. Hip bow, come back. Thumbs up, thigh swung. Chan chai chua. Kui swung, bend forward. High thigh lane, hip bow, both hands up, inhale. Exhale, bend back. Inhale, come back. Chap thigh, down thigh. Any one thing? Thumbs up. And then Gyan Chai again. Bend on the left side. 1, breathing. 2, tapho, tapho, tapho. 4, 5 and 6. Inhale to come back. Exhale, DFI on the right. Tapho 1, breathing everybody. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, hai tai swan and Om, hai tai sao lung. Tai mo chut lane, hands a little bit up your upper mid back. Hip bow and thumbs. Just try to push your heel front side. Elbow closer, tapho 1 more. High, ba, bone, num, and sao. Hip bow, come back. Down tai sao lung and kui swan. Bend down, bend down, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Again, Gapchan, Mongsuang and Chaptai. Drop your elbow on the left knee and palm together. Just take 1, Mong and Dao Goi. Your hip and the knee aligned. Thumb. Ba, bone, num, and then sao. Thang chin and Tai Swan. Both are this. Who's our motion? Relaxation a little. So same. Kapchan Mong Swan Chaptai and on the right side. Chaptai palm together. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Good. Hamchan and kui swung. Leg straight and bend down. Tapho, tapho. Breathing, breathing, breathing. High. Ba. Bone. Num. And sao. Tatka nin thang. Hit bow. Thouza. Then jump again. Come in the chaturanga. Namaskar. Anyone think? Khong yeda. Chaturanga, Ashtanga Namaskar. Hit bow, upward dog. Thouza, downward dog. Tapho, tapho, tapho. Tatka hit bow, inhale. Exhale to the inhale. Exhale, inhale and exhale. Chanchai in, left leg up. Chanchai chua, left leg in between arms. Hit bow, thigh lane, hands up and chap thigh, palm together. Thauza, thigh swung, relax your hand. Hip bow, high thigh lane, both hands up. Thauza, bend back. Inhale, come back. Exhale again, just drop the right elbow on the left knee in the twist. Try to keep your palm together. And then relax, Thuzantai. Chanchai, saw your leg back, plank pose, Ninthang. Ashtanga Namaskar or Chaturanga, option you have. Hip bow, upward dog, open shoulder and look up. Thauza, downward facing dog. Chanfai lane, right leg up. Chân phải chuộc, right leg in between arms. Hít vào, hai tay lên, hands up, high lunge. Thở ra, tay xuống. Again, hít vào, hai tay lên. And thở ra, bend back. Hít vào, come back. Chop tay, palm together. And twist on the right side. Very good. Tay xuống. Chân trái chuộc. Hít vào. Thở ra, twist on. Left leg front and bend forward. Hít vào. Hai tay lên. Both hands up. Chop tay, down tay. Sorry. And then bend back everybody. Stay there. More. High. Thang tay, bar. Bone. And nằm rồi. Hít vào. Thở ra. Cúi xuống. Bend down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hít vào, hai tay lên, both hands up again, and thở ra, ghi and jump, bend on the left side. 1, breathing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, here 5 on your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, open legs a bit sideways from here. Down thigh sao long. Same practice, and then cúi xuống, bend down. Your both legs should be straight. The wide leg hip stretch. 1, stay. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Gap chân mông xuống and chop tay. Bend your legs, hip down, palm together in the temple pose. 1, lunge out, a little spine back. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Nằm hai cổ chân, thang chân, and then cúi xuống. Hold your ankles, your legs straight, spine straight, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Một lần nữa, gập chân mông xuống, chop tay, and then hai tay lên, your both hands up. So this is bình thuần, tất cả biết thôi, nhiều lần tập rồi. 1, downward sau, push your knee back. 2, breathe in. 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Good. Tất cả tay xuống and jump back. Downward facing dog. Come on. Straight. Tất cả. Hít vào. Inhale. Thở ra. Hít vào. Thở ra từ từ. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Good. Meow meow pose. Downward swan. And then downward leg. We stand on the knee. So one time practice will come with a camel pose. Options that come here. You can be try. Option more. Option high. Không đua. Ôm hai tay sau. Try. Any option you choose, mong chua, a little push the hip front. 1, breathing, and 2, 3, Up. 4, 5, 6, 9, 8, and 10. Move it. Very good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, sit down, go slow. Now, jump, down, going. And feet together. Jump, down, going. Open the knees sidewise and then bend. But corners. Very good. Stay. Contact. Feet together. No contact. Feet closer. Yes, more. Stay. Open knee more and more. Go up. Open the knee more. You can. No, his feet together. Okay, so come back. Haunted. Relax your legs. Move your legs. Jump line again. Open arms to your shoulder level. Inhale and exhale. Turn on the left side. Twice out. Jump. Inhale and exhale, twice on 5, turn on your right side. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Tatka junction, open legs. Twist only one. Bend forward. Just try and stay there. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Function, keep your legs together. Line out with your back. Gopchan and Omchan. And Tudu Jai, Tudu Fall. Slowly, gently, left, right side. And now, relax. Down, relax your legs. chu, jump, jump, just a little more chu. Thuzam thigh, relax your hands, palm facing up. And Nyamat, your eyes closed.